Hello everyone, welcome to Software Point, a language solution. In the last video, web development is a process of creating and maintaining website and web application. Web development, it is divided into two categories, front end and back end. Front end development, also known as client side development, refers to the process of creating the visual and interactive components of website or web application. Front-end development involves using technologies HTML, hypertext markup language for structuring content, CSS, cascading style sheet for styling and layout, JavaScript for interactive and dynamic behavior to web pages. And the second one is backend. Backend development, also known as server-side development, involves creating the behind-scene functionality that powers website and web application. Backend developers work with the server-side languages like Python, Ruby, Java, or PHP to build the process user request, handles data storage and retrieval with database. In this diagram, you can see the both of web development categories, front end and back end. In the front end, there are basic technology and programming language which are used in front end development are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. On the other hand, back end, these are the basic technology and the programming languages are used in back end development like Python, PHP, Java and C#. You can see in this diagram front end and back end. You can assume when we open any website or web page, whatever we see on the desktop, on our mobile screen or desktop screen, all those called front end. Whatever users see on the screen are called front end, and what are the logics, structure, database and process which comes in the back are called back end. There are difference between front end developers and back end developers. Front end development manages everything that user visually see first in their browser or application. Front end developers are responsible for the look and feel of a site. On the other hand, back end development refers to the server side of an application and everything that communicate between the database and browser. I hope you understand the difference between front-end developer and back-end developer. In this diagram, you can see the difference between front-end and back-end technologies. First, we come to front-end. Front-end markup and web languages such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Asynchronous specialized web editing software, image editing, accessibility, browser issues, search engine optimization. These are comes in the front end technologies. On the other side, back end programming and scripting such as Python, Ruby or Perl, etc. programming languages. Server architecture, database administration, scalability, security, data transformation and backup. These are the some difference between front end and back end. See in this diagram what is front end, what is back end, and the third one is full stack. I want to tell you something that a programmer who knows front end programming and back end programming, both front end and back end programming are called full stack developer. In the next video, we will talk about difference between front end, back end and full stack development. So if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much.